know that there are some items in your kitchen that are very powerful medicine for your health? And in fact, they even work more than your regular drugs. Yes, and that is what I'm about to show to you on this video. Welcome to Live Healthy with Judith, and I'm still your host, Judith Obiefele. If this is your first time stopping by on this channel, I want to say welcome to you because you are on the right channel. Yeah, we do everything healthy and we help you cultivate and to also sustain a healthy lifestyle. We want to say thank you to all of our existing subscribers that have stuck with us since we began this healthy journey. We want to say we love you all. And also, we want to apologize for the long break of our no posting season. It was due to the fact that we had some issues with our video equipment, and that has been resolved now. So we are back on your view. I'm super excited to be sharing with you all that we have in today's video because it is mind-blowing. So quickly, let's get right into the video. I'll be sharing with you today 5 kitchen items that are very powerful medicines for your overall health. Firstly, I want to state this disclaimer. It is highly important that you consult your physician before starting the usage of any of this item. It is highly important. So back to the video. The first item I want to share with you that is a very powerful medicine to your health is garlic. It's a very potent spice, not just for cooking, but it is potent in treating some ailments. And researches have been done to back up the effectiveness and the power of garlic to treating and relieving diseases. Garlic is known to help you treat ailments like diabetes, hypertension, high blood sugar level, microbacter infection, as well as some cancer. According to a 7 years retrospective study done in China, it showed that for everyone that ate garlic twice a day, they actually reduced their chances of contracting lung cancer by 44%. Wow, that is mind blowing. So it means that you consuming garlic 2 times a day can actually reduce your risk of getting lung cancer by a whopping 44%. I guess you should start eating garlic. And also, I need to mention that if you are the type that complains of the odor of garlic, there is a trick to it. You can as well use apple to actually eliminate the smell of garlic odor in your mouth. As simple as that. Or you could take some leaves of mint, chew it, and the odor disappears immediately. And lastly, you can just simply use your normal or regular mouthwash to eliminate or remove the odor of garlic. And like I always emphasize on my video, moderation is very key. So, number 2 kitchen item that is a powerful medicine is onion. Onion is actually one of the most common vegetable that is seen in every home and in every kitchen. So whether it is the red onion or the white onions, they are all very powerful and potent. Onion is known to have high percentage of organosulfur, and organosulfur, it is highly effective in protecting your heart health. Onions are very effective in helping you prevent some heart diseases, even your common stroke. So it then means that your frequent consumption of onion can help you reduce your risk of having some cardiovascular or common lifestyle diseases. Onion is very, very rich in iron, is rich in vitamin C, it is rich in potassium, in sulfur, in folate, and it doesn't contain fat. So you see, you really do need to start eating onion, and more so, you should include it in almost all your cooking because I really don't know why you shouldn't add onions to every cooking. Yes, well, that said and done, due to the benefit of onion, I advise you to start including them to all your cooking. And also, you can go a step further by eating it raw. Some researchers also show that onions can help you fight against diabetes and even some kind of cancer Wow, isn't that amazing? Oh, yes, I know it is. So please, I advise once again that you should start eating your onion and eat it raw. And if you're also scared of the odor of the onion, you can do likewise for onion as you did for the garlic. Number three item that is a powerful medicine is ginger. Ginger is a highly potent and very powerful spice that works in treating several ailments. Ginger has been found out to help you treat ailments like nausea, vomiting, indigestion, joint pains, and even headache. But I need to mention that in your consumption of ginger, moderation must be put in place because excessive consumption of ginger can result in different ailments, including heartburn. So, like I advised in the beginning, you need to consult your physician to know if you should start making use of this item. Ginger is also great in helping you burn excessive fat. Number four item on this list of powerful medicine is honey. The raw honey contains powerful antioxidant that is called polyphenol, which give protective effect against some kind of cancer as well as some kind of digestive discomfort. Honey can also help you treat cases like cough and cold. And honey can also be used as a home remedy for either a skin treatment or a skin condition or even a hair condition. I have shared videos on how I included honey in some recipes that I have on this channel. You can check them out. In addition, only when added to your parfaits is also a great energy booster, especially during your workout routine. And my advice to you is that as much as possible, try to consume a parfait a day that is topped with honey because that can help you keep your energy level at peak. Then the last item on our list and every kitchen must have is our apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is very powerful and over the years it has been used to treat lots and lots of health ailments. Apple cider vinegar is known to contain bacteria, lactic, citric, and malic acid. These are the things that makes it very potent in its effects. So many researches have proven that consumption of apple cider vinegar can help you promote weight loss, it can aid digestion, it can help you regulate your blood sugar level, it can help you also regulate your blood cholesterol level, and more so, it has also been used as a skin treatment. But I will advise that as much as possible, you actually keep apple cider vinegar away from your eye contact. For those who are on a weight loss program, apple cider vinegar is your go-to drink for achieving a sustainable weight loss goal. It is important that you dilute your apple cider vinegar. This is what I recommend for my clients. 2 cups of apple cider vinegar added to half a cup of water. And I also advise my clients to use straw when they are taking apple cider vinegar because they have been known to have side effects on the teeth. It gives your teeth a discoloration after a while, but by using straw, you get to prevent that discoloration. I want to thank you all for watching today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more goodies on healthy lifestyle, on healthy recipes, and lots more that we do on this channel. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also place your comment in the section and let us know what you think about this video. And lastly, be very nice to share this video with your friends and family so that they also know the items in their kitchen that are powerful medicine. Until I see you again in my next video, do stay healthy and stay blessed. Bye.